Camtech Manufacturing is the first and one of the very few API-accredited valve manufacturing companies in the UAE, Middle East and North African region. Established in Jebel Ali Free Zone, Dubai, Camtech is equipped with machines covering the complete valve production range under one roof, with an area of 260,000 square feet of factory floor, office block and warehouse. With valves ranging from half-inch to 56 inches, Camtech has grown to be a trusted name in the global market for sectors that include oil and gas, petrochemicals, power, onshore and offshore applications, heavy chemicals and more. Product range include ball valves, globe valves, gate valves, check valves, butterfly valves, conduit gate valves, plug valves, API 6A valves, pigging valves and cryogenic valves. Founded in 1999, the company's sprawling complex houses both the manufacturing and administrative blocks. With strict compliance to the most recognized international standards, Camtech's commitment to quality starts here at the company's engineering and design division. Combining advanced technology with state-of-the-art software and equipment, Camtech's products are designed to exacting parameters required by the clients and conform to international standards. Accredited by API with API 6D, API 6A, API 600 monogram license certifications, API Q1 and ISO 9001 quality management system certifications, along with CE marking and ATEX, EXIDA for SIL and GOST-R, GOST-K certifications for Russian markets, Camtech is constantly improving its products and services. Camtech is also certified to OHS management systems of ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001. All projects are assigned to a dedicated project manager who ensures a smooth and timely flow of process till delivery with the aid of a sophisticated ERP system. The designs are directly routed to the in-house pattern shop, where advanced CNC machines produce the patterns required for the next step in the process: casting. All materials that come into the factory are duly marked for identification and traceability. Quality control starts right from the beginning. The receiving inspection checks out various parameters, and the approved pieces are moved to the stores department. Depending on the requirements, a variety of methods are used to move material to desired locations. There are pallet trucks and motorized trolleys, besides overhead cranes of 50 tons capacity. The factory floor houses the most advanced machines in industrial valve manufacturing and testing in the world. Camtech products are forged and cast to various grades of metals in carbon steel, alloy steels, stainless steel, duplex steel, super duplex steel, nickel alloy, Incolloy, Monel, 6MO, titanium and others. Here we see a top-entry valve body being positioned onto a 20 tons capacity table that does horizontal machining operations. These high-tech machines provide a high level of accuracy and surface finish. These heavy-duty vertical turret lathes, or VTLs as they are known in the trade, are all CNC machines with automatic tool changes, providing better control over dimensions, accuracy and surface finish. Components are machined at the horizontal machine center, equipped with several twin pallet changers, thus speeding up the production and delivery time. The advanced CNC Mega Bore Machine Center is where the ball turning, grinding and lapping takes place. Conventional machines are used for pre-machining of the cast components, which are later loaded onto CNC machines for a higher level of dimensional accuracy and surface finish. Camtech's welding division include SAW, SMAW, GTAW and GMAW stations for overlay and cladding of corrosion-resistant material. The division is fitted with different kinds of booms up to 5 meters in length, working in conjunction with rotating and positioning equipment, and can handle valves from 2 to 56 inches. The overlay is done with 2 welding passes with a minimum thickness of 3 millimeters, or as per customer requirements. The cladding thickness is checked with help of alchemmeter and as per the requirement of MESC specifications. The company has its own robotic HVOF coating facility. HVOF spraying improves corrosion and wear resistance, thus giving the valves a long working life. Depending on the design requirements, these machines at Camtech can provide thicknesses from 200 microns to several millimeters. Following the tungsten carbide and chromium carbide coating, all components are checked to ensure that the coating thickness conforms to the ITP, quality plan and other specifications. Subsequent to machining and quality control inspections at all stages, which include visual and dimensional checks, the various components that eventually form the valves are routed for assembly. Numerous assembly tables and a large space for higher-sized valves make up the assembly center. The assembly takes place in a dust-free environment that helps increase the valve's service life and is done under the supervision of production engineers and quality control inspectors. All components are thoroughly cleaned and assembled as per drawing, bill of material and ITP by Camtech's team of well-trained and qualified technicians. The assembled valves are given unique valve serial numbers for easy identification and traceability. Camtech valves are known for its quality and reliability. At every stage of manufacturing, the ongoing series of quality checks ensure that the specifications are maintained to top-notch standards. Different areas are dedicated to different quality control and assurance tests. Here we see the lab dedicated to destructive testing, microstructure analysis and spectroanalysis for detailed examinations performed to ensure applicable industry standards. Camtech has its own high-pressure test bay facilities with highly sophisticated test benches where valves up to 56 inches in size can be tested to a maximum pressure of 20,000 psig. All tests performed here conform to international standards such as API 598, API 6D, ISO 5208 and ISO 12266 standards. The bay is designed and equipped to perform various tests. Only clean media is used for testing, and if water is used, Camtech ensures that the chloride level is less than 30 parts per million, with addition of corrosion inhibitor to prevent corrosion. Post-testing, the valves are cleaned and suction pumps are used to remove all traces of fluids used. Here we see a fugitive emission helium leak test conforming to ISO 15848 latest edition in progress. Used in applications where volatile air pollutants and hazardous fluids occur, random samples from each batch is tested for quality standards. Camtech is equipped with state-of-the-art cryogenic testing equipment, where valves can be tested to low temperatures up to -196 degrees centigrade. Tests performed conform to international standards such as BS 6364, MESC specification, SP 77/200, and so on. Accurate test temperatures are maintained by the computer-controlled unit, with the results automatically recorded and printed for evaluation. Camtech also performs fire-safe tests conforming to API 6FA and API 607 standards to ensure valve integrity at temperatures up to 750 degrees centigrade. The valves are grit blasted to SA 2.5 or SA 3, or as per technical requirements, and moved on to the next stage, painting. Having the paint room just next to the blast room prevents surface contamination, thus resulting in a higher quality of finish, adhesion, and proper wet and dry film thickness. The painted products are inspected for dry film thickness by the quality control inspectors before being packed. Paint adhesion tests are also done to verify the quality of the paint and application. Once all the checks are done and the product passes all the strict quality control tests, they are packed with pride and care, ready to be dispatched to the customers. Even large-size valves can be easily sent by land, sea, or air. Camtech manufacturing is situated just next to the biggest cargo airport in the world and the biggest seaport between Singapore and Europe. Camtech's success is driven by the dedication of a multinational workforce, both on the factory floor and in the offices, with a reputation built on their commitment towards providing their very best. The company has a well-laid-out training program that adds to their personal and professional development. The impetus is fueled by a qualified and experienced management team who evaluate policies, procedures, and innovations that uphold the reputation Camtech holds as a leader in industrial valves manufacture. Camtech. Valves for a safer future.